You want to slam him out?
Yeah. Get off the road.
I got you, but I can't move my shoulder, my nigga. That's crazy.
We don't got to elevate any.
I got you. And my shoulder with the middle. I got you. Take this one out first.
This is a good one, right?
Yeah, this one good. This one good. Everything's on video.
You got a t-shirt underneath that?
I got with you.
Alright. So, you gotta take off the earrings as well. You mind taking that off by yourself, or you want
I
to
can
do
do
it?
it one hand. I got you.
Okay. Alright.
Probably. I don't know.
Alright. We'll give it a try.
What you're doing?
Correct.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
Because this is a client.
So
Yes, to get views.
to get the views, right?
Yes.
That's what it is that they're doing.
I told you perfect.
So we have to play it cool here. So the only way to combat that, really the only one simple way that we could think of, is throwing something up on the windows or something like that. If you guys don't want to be seen. So it's the game that they play because that's what gets the views. But they're mostly after. It's not you guys.
Yeah, but
This is
I know.
it doesn't feel safe.
I know.
No.
I know. It's all that tech and TV
Because
nonsense.
we've been here for
Yeah.
I just want to confirm, when I leave to go to my car, they're not going to touch me.
The court you have to put up with your new
I
bird.
know, man.
Let the city council know.
Yes.
I'm gonna let the city council know, of course.
Go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. I was just asking you for your name. Do your thing. Don't go so tight. Bro. You gonna steal it from him?
That's my property. What you doing? Stand on the
Yo,
sidewalk.
give him my son. Give him the camera, bro.
No.
Your name is all I needed, brother.
You
You arrested me for running me over?
You got anything sharp that
Are you arresting me for running me over? Huh?
Do you have anything?
Are you arresting me for after you run me over? Somebody needs to make a report, an accident report, bro. Hey, stop holding my Stop holding my balls. Yo, stop. Stop holding my balls.
Stop moving.
Don't hold my
Stop
balls.
moving.
Don't hold my balls.
Stop moving.
Stop being gay.
Stop moving.
Stop being gay. Look, now he holding my crack.
It's protocol.
Look, his hand, protocol.
It's
That's what you
protocol.
wanted,
So
right?
stop moving.
And how you about to come right now?
moving.
You're about to come.
I'm gonna pay you guys for this.
Do your thing, do your thing. You can be, I'm going to the precinct, so you can let me naked over here. Okay. All right, so come to the precinct. No, take me to the precinct. All right, so what's wrong?
Just open your legs.
Out of here. I'm not opening my legs, nigga. Fuck you.
Open your fucking legs.
Look at him. Look at this. Stop squeezing my hole, yo.
There's a way to turn this off. I don't know how to. The camera's in the car.
Wow.
Relax. Yeah. Huh?
For sure. Good afternoon, Sarge.
That's the guy from Yonkers.
That's me. There you go.
Oh.
I'm gonna have a good movie with this one.
What's your name on TikTok?
Eli the People's Guy.
There you go.
Look for me on YouTube.
That's fine.
Hey, more subscribers on YouTube on TikTok.
You got bumps or anything on you?
I got a brother before.
A bump?
Hey,
Come on. Nah.
you do what you do. You was squeezing my balls before, right? So keep squeezing them, nigga.
I didn't squeeze it, bro.
Keep squeezing my balls, man. It's on camera. Go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing, you Go ahead. And you put your fingers in my booty, too. You hear me? You won't pay for that.
Where's your son? Oh, First Amendment guy?
Yeah, First Amendment. If the Bodycams on, right up here, yo, hit that like button and subscribe. But you never seen this one. Ow! Ah! That's my shoulder that's f***ed up. Ah! No, you take them off, man. You take them off. You keep doing your job. You hear me? Do what you gotta do, man. Keep violating my rights. You hear me? Every single move you make is gonna be $100,000. Keep on. Go ahead. Do your thing. You heard it, Stevens? You met me today. Today's the last time you're gonna do it to somebody in your life. My shoulder hurts. I need an ambulance. I can't move my hand. I just told you broke my shoulder with the car. I can't move my hands.
You moved the wallet up.
What?
Take your shoulder. Take it.
I need an ambulance. I can't move my shoulder. No, I can't. I can't move my shoulder. Look, it's on camera. Where's the camera? You're under prosecution. I can't move my shoulder due to the accident. I can't do no more, bro. I can't do nothing, bro.
You're not working with me.
Do whatever. I'm not working with you. I will never work with you. You're a dirty cop. You're a dirty cop.
You're not working.
You're the dirtiest cop in this
I'm gonna ask
police.
you one more time.
Do whatever you want. Beat me up. Shoot me. My phone call. Okay, now what time they give out phone calls here for the people that you arrest, bro? So I can call my attorney, so he knows what's going on, what you guys doing to me, bro.
After you get processed, you get a phone call.
It's not gonna take 5 hours for my attorney to know that I'm here?
Nah,
Or am I gonna be in the hospital by then?
I mean, if you go to the hospital, it's gonna be longer.
I don't know. I'm just letting my attorney know what's happening to me, bro, as we speak.
Yeah, I mean, depending on what charge you.
Bro, you should be happy I'm not dead. All right? You hear me? You should be happy I'm still here. And I'm still running my mouth, and I'm not dead in a coffin. What other charges, bro? Possession of a weapon? Let's go. We're live. You hear me? We're live.
We are
Live, yeah.
How did you get up at the car?
The guy that fucking hit me is right behind me, man. That's the worst shit, bro.
So you got in front of the vehicle? Is that what you're saying?
I'm saying that you saw me in front of the vehicle before you hit the gas. That's what I'm saying. Recording the plate number because you refused to. Bro, you can't be questioning me here too either, bro. Stop.